Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. No? So today, we are going to react to Showbreak 6 episode 5. This is SB19 at Hong Kong Disneyland Most Magical Party. No, I mean we are up to date now. No, I can't believe this. We are watching Showbreak 6. Like we're up to date sa bagong Showbreak. Oh man. Yeah, I mean you all know Showbreak is one of the most or one of my favorite series na meron ang SB19 in terms of their content na ina-upload nila. So I'm really excited with this. If I remember correctly, Hong Kong Disneyland is the place where they actually go to before as well. So this is like I call this like, because I guess because it's their anniversary, like malapit ng anniversary nila, they go back to Hong Kong Disneyland. I mean, I don't know, comment down below if I remember it correctly, or is it just in my head? But yeah, I'm really excited with this, man. Without no further ado, let's fucking get it. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Showbreak 6, let's go.
Showbreak 6!
Bakit parang delay si Kendo? Parang delay si Kendo. Na-delay, no? Delay ng pasok.
Welcome to Showbreak 6!
Showbreak!
As you can see, we're here sa Hong Kong Disneyland because ang anniversary nila ay pang 20 na.
20 na, grabe. Kasi
That's it,
edad ko na pa.
20th.
Kasi edad ko na.
Ah, talaga?
Wow. Sana all 20 na.
Naglumak na ulit, 20 na ako.
It's 20th anniversary of Hong Kong Disneyland. That's
20
why
plus
we're here.
11.
And hindi lang yun. Hindi lang nagtatapos
Nagkataon.
Ano bang meron ngayon? Ilang taon na ba ang SB19?
Hey, special
Ang
occasion
SB19
as
ay
well.
nagsa-celebrate na
7! Let's go!
Yun talaga ang rason. Nandito tayo sa Hong Kong Disneyland para i-celebrate at magsaya ang SB19.
Natutuwa nga ako kasi
Wait. No. This is Showbreak, right? This is Showbreak. Dapat merong challenge. Imposible ko na challenge. This is fucking Showbreak. No. This is not a vlog. This is a Showbreak. So, yeah.
the first time talaga ng SB19 mapunta dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland.
Ganda naman damit
Gusto
yan.
ko kasi sumakay na rides.
Diba, bro?
Sabi nga ni Ken kanina,
Sabi ko?
excited na daw siya mag-extreme rides.
Siya ang
Excited. Rides. So, sabi mo.
Sabi nga ni
Reaction,
Ken kanina, excited na daw siya mag-extreme rides.
Extreme rides.
Never!
Never.
Never! Naalala ko lang, soft hours. Yeah. Soft hours. Nung mga panahon na lugmong-lugmo tayo.
Anong lugmo?
Lugmong-lugmo.
Lugmok tayo.
Lugmong-lugmo.
Kaya pumunta tayo sa mga sa isang amusement park din. Tapos doon sumakay talaga si Ken ng rides, pinanood natin yung Ferris wheel. And we're here celebrating.
So I guess mali akong naisip ko, no? So I guess hindi dito yung pinuntahan nila noon.
Our 7th anniversary.
But it's still amusement
Outside
park,
the country
right?
na.
Level up na talaga
Level
ang
up na
SB19. Anyway,
Ano
next.
yun?
Yan na! Yes! Let's go!
Meron na naman tayo panibagong mga mission sa ngayong araw na to.
Saan mo na
Sabi ko
birthday
nga,
boy?
Birthday boy. Sa pagse-celebrate ng
Celebrate.
7th year anniversary ng SB19,
Celebrate.
isasama nyo pag-celebrate ang 18 sa Hong Kong Disneyland during its 20th anniversary. Kasama
Yay.
natin ang 18.
Nandito sila? So, ibig sabihin,
Dito sila?
Magala tayo.
Ang dami nun!
Madami
Ang dami nun! Andito sila, ang dami nun!
tayo ngayon. Okay. Para mabigay sa kanila ang best
parang di ako na-inform.
experience, kailangan nyo sumagot ng 5 riddles para malaman kung saan ang few
Riddle me this,
of the
riddle me that.
best attractions sa Hong Kong Disneyland.
Okay na.
Pero ano bang catch dito? Bawat tamang sagot, kailangan nyong gawin ang challenge nakakabit dito para makuha ng star.
Magpabay star.
Ano meron sa star?
I've been shooting for the stars.
Okay.
Yan pala yun.
Yun pala yun.
Kapag nakaipon kayo ng 5 star, sa inyo na ang Disneyland.
Sa inyo na ang Disneyland? Ganun ba kalupit ang mga ano ngayon sa Showbreak? Ang mga challenges and prizes?
Ay! Hindi!
Dati massage lang Dati pag nanalo, massage. Ngayon, Disneyland na, papasayo.
Nagkamali.
Okay.
Yung castle
Kapag nakaipon kayo ng 5 stars, 5 lucky 18 ang makakakuha ng special gifts mula sa inyo.
Yes, makakuha kayo ng gift.
Napapansin ko kahit birthday, anniversary, lahat ng pinagpapagura natin, hindi tayo nakakakuha ng regalo.
Selfless ang SB19. Parang,
Yung last time, di ba? Nakapag-parallax kayo. Ito ang dalawa.
Ay, nakapag-relax nga
nanalo
pala.
sila, di ba? Nagpamassage kayo. Ano?
Pero yun nga, di ba? Siyempre, gano'n naman tayo. Tayo namuhay para siyempre
Magsilbi.
magsilbi.
For
Silbi.
Para sa inyo.
That's right.
nagsisilbi ka dapat.
Ano pang hinihintay nyo?
At dahil dyan,
At dahil dyan, pumasok na yung first riddle natin. Ito yung first riddle. An a cappella song must be sung while gliding with the sleigh sliding.
The one, an a cappella song must be sung while gliding with the sleigh sliding.
Gliding with
Hilaluha.
Slay.
Hilaluha a cappella.
Okay, ito pa ang sinabi niya. When you wander in the forest, find the ride that shows you the scenery of Arendelle.
Arendelle.
It's Frozen.
Frozen?
Frozen
So,
world.
so World of Frozen.
The world of Frozen. It's
World of-
Arendelle.
Yes.
So what are we waiting for? Let's hop up on.
grabe.
Have a fun, this right?
The transition. Naglog.
Okay, nandito na tayo.
World of Frozen. We're here in Arendelle.
Arendelle. Arendelle. Arendelle.
This is my dream place.
Si Baby nasama pa sa
Another riddle?
frame.
Oh, this is the riddle. The first mission that we need to do.
Ride the wandering
Oaken sliding sleighs.
and sing a chorus of
Ride the wandering oaken sliding sleighs and sing a chorus of shooting for the stars in a cappella while on the ride.
shooting for the stars
In a cappella while on the ride. Oh, that's very easy.
So what are we waiting for? Let's ride.
While doing the choreography.
Wow.
No,
Okay.
diba? Always safety first. Kailangan nakahabol.
Alright,
Nagiging
so
extreme
what are
na
we
eh, no?
waiting for? Let's ride the wandering oaken sliding sleigh. Let's go.
Go! Again?
5, 6.
Oh, I mean, it's a mild ride, no? Pero, okay kaya si Ken doon? What if they actually do the choreography while they're riding the sliding sleigh?
Yes, sir.
I guess he's excited, no? I guess he's excited.
Oh, yeah!
Game.
It's fine, yeah. Yeah, it's very mild, no? Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala. Besties Bunting. Sila lang eh, no? Sila lang nakasakay eh. Like Atlantic and staff. Easy. Saglit na ride lang pala yun.
That was so cool. We
Hindi
need to
mo
do it again.
gumalaw, no? Sanay na ni Bok ni Justin na lagi nang inaayos, no? Nagbe-behave na ng kusa. Na-train na lang maigi.
So we just finished.
But you know what? Ken is extra jolly, no? On this video. Like he's all smiling, no? I guess all of them is on great mood for this video.
Riding, wandering,
I mean, it's
open,
Disneyland,
sliding, sleigh. Feeling ko naman nakakanta lahat kanina. Hindi naman kayo natakot.
Nakakanta naman.
Usually kasi si Ken kailangan pa lang painitin no? Painitin mo na ng mga ilang minuto bago kaganahan eh. But on this one, I mean, start pa lang ng video nila. Sobrang jolly niya, no?
First star!
First star.
Sino ako na
Mickey
magsusuot
Mouse.
ng
Alam
star?
niyo, kita-kita ko yung star bagay na bagay. Sasuot ni Stel.
Oh!
It matches.
Ano nga
Oo nga,
yung
no?
Ako pa to.
Yes!
Hindi nyo man lang pinahuli.
First!
No sweat! No sweat.
Congratulations!
No
Is
sweat.
there any... Oh! May
Another riddle.
Other mission.
Let's read it.
Oh, so the second riddle, a place where 14 princesses and queens tales unite, stands tall and majestic in day and in night. Stand with your family and friends and echo a moment that's built to last.
Princesses?
So maybe
Princesses?
sa castle.
Castle?
Let's go! Let's go!
Castle.
That's it.
That castle?
Hop up on this rock.
Welcome to the Castle of Magical Dreams. No, it's not the same castle.
Grabe, that was really enjoyable, no?
Ang tindi ng biyahe natin sa Rocket.
Yeah.
But parang yung dalawang babae, parang hindi nila alam kung didiretso ba sila o hindi. Ano ba tayo dito? Makakasira ba tayo sa vlog nila? Ayun na, parang nabila sila nagdahan-dahan.
Ang tindi ng biyahe natin sa Rocket. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa tapat ng
Castle of Magical Dreams.
Ay! May mission na naman. Ito na naman sinasabi ko.
Wala nga pa sinasabi
Walang katapos
namin.
ang
Mission number
Wala katapos ang
Paano pala tayo?
Pala tayo.
Okay, sige. Let's
Okay. Do 3 iconic poses of yourself in front the Castle of Magical Dreams. With all
Do 3 iconic poses.
go. Three poses lang.
Iconic.
That's so easy.
Iconic poses. I guess one of the iconic poses is Justin smiling while he has a candy on his tongue.
That's so easy.
Unang kanta ay Gento. Shooting for the Stars, Gento.
Like poses,
Shooting for the Stars, okay.
maybe
Five,
under
Gano, 5, 6.
choreography. Yeah, fun. Okay.
Galing.
First episode.
Okay.
Second ay Gento.
5, 6,
7,
7,
8.
What about the third? Doon ka.
Yeah, go up.
5. At doon ka?
Pare,
Go up. Go up.
Go up.
Okay, iconic. Yung, sige na lang.
5, 6.
Yeah, we gotta go up.
Napaka-easy naman nun. Ayun na ba yun? Nag-baby, bilang nag-baby challenge.
That's
Star.
crazy.
Who's gonna wear the second star?
Star. Star of the group.
Okay, sige.
Okay, star of the group.
Yeah.
Second
May
one.
mission, may mission na naman.
Okay, third riddle. In a shrinking hero's fight, where blasters flash with blinding light, your total score must reach the height of 1,000 thousands burning bright.
Okay, well.
Alam mo kung saan yan?
Where is it?
It's the world of Buzz Lightyear, no?
No, it's
Yeah.
Tomorrowland.
Tomorrowland?
Tomorrowland.
Oh, yeah, there's
Hyperspace.
Hyperspace. Hyperspace Mountain.
Hindi daw, hindi.
Oh, try to read it again.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's Buzz Lightyear, right? But I don't know. I mean, I never actually go to Hong Kong Disneyland yet, so.
In a
In a shrinking hero's fight. Maliit.
Ant-Man! Ant-Man! Yes, Ant-Man!
Oh, in Tomorrowland nga yun. So,
Tomorrowland ka.
Ay, yung barilan!
Ay, yung barilan.
We should hop up
Nano.
on the rocket. 5, 6, 7.
I also shrinking battle like, Buzz Lightyear sa Toy Story.
Wait! There's no gas. Okay, gas muna natin.
I mean, Disney ba ang Toy Story? I guess hindi, no? I don't know.
Okay, 5, 6,
Shield. The logo of Shield.
So right
Ang saya.
now, nandito na kami sa tapat
Ang
ng
saya.
Tomorrowland.
Yes, sir.
Kasi sabi Sir Rendell, this is the place where we need to go.
Oh my
So
God.
ano bang meron dito sa Tomorrowland?
Extra jolly.
Ant-Man. Teka. Oh, may na-register tayo. Ayan, Mission 3.
Sabi mo. Right, yan.
Ang liit. Parang
Ride the Ant-Man and the Wasp Battle Balance. Or
and the Wasp
2 million points.
and score a total of $2 million. $2 million in total as a team.
Whoa! 2 million?
Yes, I believe in ourselves.
That's easy.
We just need teamwork, guys. Shooting for.
Let's go. Every transition talaga ganito. Patingin na naman si Kuya. Let's go. Ready for the third mission. I guess they have guns while riding, I guess.
Let go! Let go!
So yun naman dyan. 200,000 pa lang. I guess kay Ken lang. I guess kay Ken pa lang yun, no? Ayan din. Seryoso yung e-sport gamer natin dito. Oh.
463,000. Tingnan natin kung ano. Pasok. My score is 463,300. That's the highest score ever.
I mean, Pablo's score is like 25% of 2 million, right? Yeah, I mean, I guess panalo na sila dito, no?
How much is your score?
How was your score?
563,000.
Pwede. Liga.
We're here, no?
Alright,
Ilan to? What?
we just finished our mission.
Yeah.
We
Pavilion.
had a total of
And guess what?
2.1 million plus points.
Yeah.
Ano mo ba na ang isang million doon ay akin?
Sabi dito mo.
Anyway, no matter what happens, panalo pa rin tayo kasi naka-2 million tayo. Let's go!
Dahil dyan, meron na naman tayo.
Another star! And who's to wear this star? Si Kuya Joe! Alright!
Si
We're down
Kuya
to 2
Josh.
more stars.
Yep.
So that
Si
we can
Kuya
finish this mission.
Josh.
Okay, so this is our fourth riddle. Oh my God. Okay, beware of a great big bear. Beyond the gulch it glares. Forward and backwards it will take you, so hold tight. You might turn blue.
So, what may be the
What does
answer?
it mean?
Big Bear. Grizzly Gulch.
Grizzly Gulch? Oh!
Right.
I think we should
Grizzly Gulch.
Is that correct?
Are we correct? Shall we go?
Grizzly Go. Lahat na papatingin. Ito naman si ate. Ano kung ginagawa ng limang yun? Dream rides sa Disneyland Hong Kong.
Hey! Nandito na tayo sa pinakamalupit na
Yeah,
Grizzly
yeah.
Lookout. Ano nga ba
Rawr.
pupuntahan natin?
Grizzly Gulch.
This is the canyon.
Big Grizzly Mountain.
Ayun, sabi mo siya. Alright, let's do this. Mission number 4. Hop on the
big Grizzly Mountain, run away, mine
Parang
cars,
big piece na.
fly.
Mine.
That's one.
Yan.
Just right, nothing, no nothing.
No challenge?
No challenge.
It looks scary, actually.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so what are we waiting
Garide
for?
lang? Ganon?
Point this rocket, let's go!
We're going to ride Grizzly Gulch.
Ang kulit ng no? Oh. Pag nakababa, nagiging pa-sideway. Nagiging pa-sideway yung kulay.
We're going to ride Grizzly Gulch.
Oh, that's so... I mean, it's mild rides, no?
Oh my God!
Masarapan pala siya.
Bye-bye! Let's go!
Hello.
Let's go! I can't do this! Let's go, SB!
Ate, isa sila?
Grizzly Gulch. Uy, nasisira yung bounce ko.
Isa sila.
Let's go! Hey!
Mukhang mild lang naman yung ride, no?
Ba't nahihilo na ako agad? Wala pa nga. Ito na.
Let's go, boy! Let's go!
Babalik.
That was a nice ride.
May nagka-party dun. Ay, bumilis? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Just walk in the park. Nakakatawa kasi lahat ng reaction nila. No, like, look at Ken. Yeah, Justin. Pablo. Stel. And then Josh. And then Josh. No? They walk in the park.
Let's go!
Parang naisigaw, wala na siya sa gito, para makisali lang yung sa sigaw no? Parang kunyari kasali siya.
Let's go! Let's go!
I guess mas masaya yun. Pag ganyan lang medyo kasi parang I feel like hindi pa rin siya gano'n ka-extreme, no? So I guess, para magkaroon ng at least like rush, adrenaline rush ka dyan, mas maganda na sa harapan ka. O just yung sa city map. Oh shit.
Best ride ever.
Lumabas yung ride, no?
Brother, no, it's fine.
That's too fast, bro.
Even if you fell down, we succeeded in this mission.
Yes!
Yo.
So we just finished our mission, and thankfully we did it
That's why we deserve.
successfully.
We deserve.
Pero I guess mas extreme siya sa nauna, no?
I was like,
Tumbling, no?
Show us how scared. Okay, but since we succeeded their mission, we should have our
Reward!
oh, this is a fourth
Another
one.
star that we have.
This is a fourth one, right?
Thank you for this.
The 4th
But
star.
those challenges are so.
Yes, Ken is our 5th star.
Are there any more challenges that we're going to receive? Oh, they have another one. They have
Is that Liza Soberano? I'm sorry, is that Liza Soberano?
Are there any more challenges that we're going to receive? Oh, they have another one. They have another one.
Is this another riddle?
Yeah, this is the 5th riddle.
Fifth riddle. The fifth riddle. In a long day of merry and fun, we show you the lips.
In a long day of merry and fun, we're sure your bellies are hungry a ton. Lucky meals await in a saloon. How great! Don't forget to try them all, or else the mission will fall. Fail.
Food.
Lucky meals await in a
Oh, makakain sila. Makakain na naman sila. Si Liza Soberano talaga tayo. Di pa ako makain. Shit.
Oh, great! Don't forget to try them all, or else the mission will fail.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, it's show break. No? So, hindi ko masyado na-expect na kakain sila kasi it's show break. Right? Kasi it's show break, no? Challenges. And they're eating.
Mission.
Is this even a challenge?
Okay.
So are we going to eat?
I can see it. It's the Lucky Nugget Saloon!
Lucky Nugget. Nugget. Kanya-kanyang racket na sila. Gutom na eh. Kanya-kanyang racket na sila. Ay. Okay.
So, nandito na po kami ngayon sa tapat ng Lucky Nugget Saloon. And sabi ng aming master gamer, dito natin ma-receive ang ating last mission.
Oh, I'm
Ayun,
kinda
Ang bilis talaga ng mission.
nervous right now.
Okay, mission.
What could be
naman.
our last mission?
Buy and eat from
The-
the Lucky Nugget Saloon!
Oh my god, that's so hard to do.
That, that is so hard, man. That is so hard. We're eating. That is so hard, man.
Try and taste their new snack menu set. Oh, their new snack menu.
It's so
What's the
hard.
new set?
Kaya naman.
I feel like this is a
That's
mission.
crazy.
It's more like a reward.
Yeah.
So what are we waiting for?
Let's
Let's
go.
get our reward.
Churros. They're churros. Oh, what is that? Is that an ice cream?
We finally have here our reward because
Mission!
Oh, yeah, this is our mission. Oh,
Mission
okay,
pa eh,
so
no?
reward. Yeah.
I mean, this looks like a reward. No, it's not a mission.
That looks like a reward because like
Ang catch dito, bawal mabusog.
Alright.
Hindi,
Alam mo catch dito? Bawal mo
oh, really?
Bawal mo yan.
Oh my god.
Lunok lang na
I think
lunok,
that
no?
will be hard.
Kailangan na natin bilisan kumain dahil we're very hungry and we want to succeed in their
Saka parang
mission.
ano,
Look at this one. So
saka parang umuulan.
ito
Is that an
ang
ice
mga
cream, no?
bagong pagkain here sa Lucky Nugget Saloon.
As you can see, there's truffle fries, there's Dale, there's chips, and there's chip again, and there's
There's noodles, Chip and Dale, and
churros.
Fish and
churros
chips.
and ice cream. So let's go!
Yeah.
Super perfect. I love the food. If you go here to Disneyland, you
One
can try
churros.
this, guys. For snack,
What are we doing here, guys?
para quick break lang.
Tapos right na ulit.
Kasama sa sabi ko,
What are we doing here?
their churros
So
is
hungry,
their
man.
number one.
Oh man, I'm so hungry. Di pa ako makain. Anong oras na ba? It's fucking 4:30 now. Di ba ako makain? I mean, di ba ako makain like 4:30 na ng hapon ngayon. Di ba ako makain ng breakfast or lunch? Wala pa akong kinakain actually.
And since we've been
So just imagine you watching this, tapos wala pa akong kain na kahit ano.
successful so far, we always hit, we didn't miss, not even once.
Hey,
So we're gonna have our last
Reward!
star.
Another star.
last star.
This is our fifth star, and
Okay,
I think I
that is the
deserve
fifth
this
star.
because I'm not used to riding extreme rides. So
Okay, so I guess we have more, I guess. Because we're still half of the video, right?
We acquired all of our stars and finally we are done with this mission.
Hey,
We enjoy the food? Then what are we
Yeah.
waiting for? Let's go to our next mission!
let's go.
the chicken. Is that chicken? Oh man, fried. What am I doing? Wow. What am I fucking doing, man? Siguro, no, pagkatrabaho sa Disneyland, like you're one of those this staff, like this, you know. Kasi parang sa Disneyland, parang always fiesta, may mga parada. No, I feel like you have to be always in the mood. No, parang it's hard to like, do this, like, dancing and, entertaining people watching. Kung parang malungkot talaga. Maybe may mga taong gano'n na kaya nilang igilid muna ang kanilang mga nararamdaman kasi work is work. No? Maraming mga gano'n, mga professionals. But, kumbaga, nagiging siyang mas mahirap. No? Iba kasi yung pag natural na masaya ka palagi. And of course, hindi naman tayo lahat ay masaya palagi. Right? So, I guess, ang hirap din nito pag araw-araw mo siyang ginagawa. I mean, masaya siya. No? Masaya siya. I guess yung trabaho dito is masaya din. Pero parang hindi siya laging masaya kung lagi nyo siyang ginagawa araw-araw, no?
Din pa ako. Since birthday mo nga.
I'm sorry, nagulat naman ako doon sa sa TV static na yun.
Lang din pa ako. Since birthday mo ngayon, magbigay ka ng
I have a secretong video.
5 wish na tigwa 1 word lang.
5 wish?
May 5 wish ka na tigwa 1 word lang.
Oh my God! Hirap na. Money! Money! Tapos, 5 wish. Food! Pwede yung tatlo, installment.
Kaya na lang, quick lang kung ano pwede mong
Give! And the fourth one, rest!
Okay.
And the last one, I guess, fun. Hirap naman nun,
I guess all of that, no, is valid. But of course, you have to put money on the first wish. Meet and greet with Mickey Mouse.
A secret video for our birthday boy Pablo. And here's the secret mission. Read it, Josh Cullen.
Kailangan yung bilhin ang nasa wishlist ni Pablo nang hindi niya nalalaman. Ito
The money. Money, food, gifts, rest, one.
finally. Ito ay ibibigay nyo sa kanya sa end ng episode. Okay?
Natigil sa kaming mission.
Feel ko makakabalik na siya before parang
Parang ang pinakamadali dyan na gift is money, no? Like if for example they have like, I mean they all have money now, no? So they can just give Pablo money. Ganun ba?
Dali bago dumating. Ay, sobra.
Okay! Isa sa mga wishlist niya ay bibiling ko ay rest. Rest, paano ko bibilin yun?
Masahihin mo, ganun. Massage. Oh. Massage. Sa'yo, bibigyan mo ng pera. Sa akin ay something fun. It's so easy. I just need to make him laugh.
Yes! Finally! Kitang-kita naman sa mukha namin, super energetic kami ngayon kasi kakatapos lang namin kumain. And syempre, ngayon naman, nandito kami sa Disney Emporium para mag-shopping. Para kanina ba yung pag-shopping natin?
Siyempre para sa mga pinakamamahal nating 18.
Okay, Pablo.
Tayo ay bumangon para sa kanila lang palagi. Yes,
Pero ang catch dyan, meron lang tayong 15 minutes para maglibot dito and meron lang tayong 200 Hong Kong dollars to buy the gifts that we want to give to 80.
So, one gift? One gift each? Okay. So, ano pa yung natin?
Let's go!
Wala nang pakialam si Ked. Wala nang pakialam si Ked.
Ano ba ang chosen one?
I think this is the gift that's what I get because I like Buzz Lightyear and this motto to infinity and beyond. And just like us, we're shooting for the stars.
Thor hammer. Oh, you know. Thor, still Thor's hammer. And then Thor hammer again.
Quiet City? Ah, ay. Yeah, or ay, ito, dito. No?
Okay, tig-isa tayo.
Isa?
Oh.
Parang nangangas nito.
So, bumibili na siya ng para kay Pablo. Like, I don't know, maybe give. Parang gift giving, parang ganun ang mangyayari. So, I guess, he's gonna give Pablo a gift.
Red Hawk. Kasi di ba parang paggalit sila, pwede na natin gamitin.
Para match kami. Tapos Baymax. Black Panther.
Hey!
Kaya maganda yan.
Si Elsa.
I don't know what this is.
Kasi ako ganun ako
Pero
eh.
parang malis, parang mga miniature.
Parang feeling ko.
Ano, Mickey Mouse. Ang ganda naman yan.
Maswerte yung mga kuha kasi sobrang cute ng mga nasa loob.
Mhm. Madami, no? Hello? Asa ng mga day ones ko dyan? May ganito ka naka-hip-hop, no? So, madami mo ng cup. My dream and you I see them Kapaunahan siya si ate makakuha ng pinakamaganda, oh. Shooting for the stars.
Chippendale.
Hey.
Because they both
stars, yours and mine.
like money
Up on this rock,
peanut.
nothing's gonna stop
Instead of
me.
giving him some money,
Man, I'm getting LSS, no? Santa.
they won't give him money. Good job. Good job.
I bought this for Pablo.
I'm sorry.
Like money peanut. Instead of giving him some money, they won't give him money. Good job. Good job.
I bought this for Pablo. So, ayun, hindi niya alam na gift ko to para sa kanya. So, yeah.
Kokay. Something fun.
All right. We're done shopping for 18. And why not? Let's explain what are the gifts that we have.
Okay, originally, I was hoping for something useful, magagamit lang for everyday. Pero as soon as I saw Buzz Lightyear, I thought about shooting for the stars. Na gusto ko pag nakikita nila to, they're inspired to shoot for the stars as well. Kasi sabi ni Buzz Lightyear, to infinity and beyond. So,
Sa akin naman, binili ko itong mga miniatures kasi sobrang dami nila. And alam mo yun, it's something na pwede na i-decorate sa auto nila. Tapos sobrang cute. Pwede nilagay, meron silang bahay-bahay na gagawa silang bahay-bahay. So, you know, just too cute. And I think it's something that they could, you know, I could be remembered every time na makikita nila to. Ma-remember nila ako.
Okay, yeah. True. Magandang gift actually. Den.
Ayan yun? Hindi, sa'yo, I am your daddy.
Daddy.
I am your father. Bro, that looks so sick.
Darth Vader.
Looks sick.
It's a mess, it's a mess.
Parang gusto ko try.
Maging dad.
Bumuksan na, no?
Okay. And for me, I have a Baymax shirt kasi para matchy-matchy kami. And also kasi they are my Bay. And my hero. Baymax. Sana masuot nila sa concert.
Oo, nice.
Para match lang kasi yung concept ko ngayon dito sa Disneyland, ni Donald Duck. So nakita ko si Donald Duck, sakto rin, huggable siya. Since nagtutour kami, yung 18 din naman, they do tour as well. Parang kung nasan kami, nandun din sila. So magagamit nila to sa airport, parang pang-travel. And one more thing, of course, kinuha ko to kasi I'm a duck. Donald Duck. Donald Duck, I'm a duck.
I'm a duck.
Donald Duck. Donald Duck, I'm a duck. You know,
I'm a duck.
Bayaran na natin kasi baka mamaya.
Wala ka ng S eh, pero okay lang yan.
Let's pay for it. Let's go! It's so nice. Feels like I'm in a castle.
You know, it's been really a great day. Yeah, we had a long day together, and wow, so exhausting, but it's still fun. What do you think about that, guys?
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry as well.
Let's go!
I think we should get food now. Alright! There's so many food! This is the best day ever.
Best day ever.
Well, as you can see, they got a lot of food, so it's obvious that we are very...
I guess we're eating again a second time, no? They already eat the second time on this video. Hindi pa ako nakakain today.
very hungry. So we need to, you know, to get back our energy.
Happy birthday to you!
Nice naman. Wow, ang ganda naman ng cake. Mickey Mouse.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. The wish!
What's your wish? Disney Hong Kong, this is thank you.
This is
I just want to say thank you for like preparing this. I cannot I'm speechless right now because I don't get to celebrate my birthday here in Disneyland and with all these
Oo nga, no? Like, kids dream, no? To celebrate their birthday in Disneyland. I guess yung batang Pablo is masaya. No?
food and with these people. Thank you so much. Oh, your pal, Mickey Mouse. Pluto? What does that mean? Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, yung aso ni
Pluto.
Mickey Mouse, si Pluto.
Mickey Mouse!
Yung bata. Ah, si Pluto. Ayun lang.
Okay, ano, busog na ako sa food.
Naunahan pa kayo ni Minnie Mouse. Naunahan pa kayo ni Minnie Mouse.
Oo nga, tara na. Yes, busog na tayo.
Yes, pwede tayo malis.
Let's go. Let's go.
Anderson. Man. God. Wow, man. Unreal. Whoa. Oh, shit. Oh, man, look at this. Wow, man. Parang panaginip siguro mo pagka-uwi mo galing dyan.
So that concludes our trip.
Full day full of fun. Yeah.
Sobrang ganda. Ang dami natin ginawa.
Yeah,
it was
Full of fun.
Everything was magical. Lalo na yung momento.
Oh,
Alam mo, parang maalala mo talaga yung buong pagkabata mo until lahat ng napanood natin na Disney. At syempre experience natin dito.
It's true that this is the happiest place.
And the magical place.
gusto ko lang din i-share yung experience ko kasi first time ko na matapos yung buong parang last time nagpunta tayo sa Disneyland. Pero ito yung time na tinapos ko lahat. Sobrang magical pala talaga. Lalo na ito, sobrang na-amaze ako dito sa parang momentum.
Kaya't maraming salamat 18 sa pag-celebrate sa amin ng aming 7th anniversary!
Yes, anniversary.
Din ng Disney.
Yes, happy 20th anniversary of Disneyland. Napakaganda po ng place na ginawa nyo for everyone. This is such a magical place. I hope everyone gets to enjoy their time here with their family, with their loved ones, and of course, with everyone, even friends.
At dahil sumama kayo sa pag-celebrate sa amin, meron din kami mga regalo para sa inyo.
Let's go!
Yung mga nakita niyo
The
regalo
gifts.
earlier, pero hindi lang yan. Dahil hindi lang naman 7th anniversary ni SB9 na sineselebrate natin. Hindi lang din 20th anniversary ni Disney, kundi ang birthday ni
Pabloy! Ni Papa
Dahil
P!
dyan meron kaming mga secret task na bumili ng gift para kay Pablo. Diba tinanong ka nila ano yung wishlist mo? Ano yung mga wishlist mo?
Money, rest, fun.
Dahil doon may isa-isa kaming
Okay.
gift katumbas sa mga words na yun. No? Simulan mo, Stel. Anong word nakuha mo?
Money.
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 Yes! Thank you, Lord!
Bakit? Ano yung regalo sa mo?
It's a Chip and Dale.
Bakit man?
Money.
Diba ang chipmunk, ano kinakain nila?
Money!
Mani.
Very good.
Tama nga.
Hindi kami magkakaroon ng money pero tutulungan kanila kumuha ng mga
Mani. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Sel.
Sa akin naman,
Mani.
pagkarinig ko kasi gun, fun pala. Bumili ako ng gun.
Ay!
Pero, it is something really fun gawin. Alam ko may enjoy mo gamitin to.
Bubble?
It's a bubble gun.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
At syempre sa akin
Bubble
naman
gun? Nilungo bubble
Sabi
gun.
mo rest. Napakahirap naman ng rest. Kahit ako walang rest. So, binigyan kita ng
Ano yun? Bako!
Elsa. Paghinga.
Okay, next.
Ah!
Okay naman. Nabili ako ng cup para kay Pablo.
Para sa'yo pala.
Perfect!
Yeah. Kasi alam ko mahilig siya mag-cup. Tapos nakalagay dito, hero.
Eh ano ba yung nabiurot mo?
Ha?
Gift.
Give.
So bigyan ko lang siya ng gift. Wala lang.
Gift na lang.
Mali!
Ha?
Anyway, ang sabi ko, give. Kasi on my birthday, I want to give back.
So,
I'll give it sa'yo.
Binigay na sa kanya.
Sa
Balik.
apat lang yun.
Kaya apat lang kami. Ano regalo mo sa sarili mo?
Food.
Ano isa na pala?
Masaya naman tayo. Ito na yung regalo.
Yeah! Ano masabi mo?
Masasabi ko, thank you. Ay, alam mo,
Food kasi yung isa di ba?
Hindi ko akalain na mag-enjoy ako buong araw kahit mainit talaga. Hindi ko inakala. Kasi usually, kapag nagpupunta ka sa amusement park, diba, mahaba pila, ano ka,
Yeah,
tirik ang
true.
araw.
Bago ka pa makapunta dun sa fun part na wala na yung gana mo kasi yung pila, yung init, no?
Parang hindi mo ma-enjoy, pero so far, as in lahat ng pinuntahan natin, sobrang na-enjoy.
Alam mo, ito
Pati
yung
food.
gift, ito yung gift ko sa'yo.
Ano?
Ang dami mo sinakyan na rides kanina, di ba? 5 rides yun.
So ayun,
Ayun.
Kaya naman, happy birthday, Papa P.
Happy birthday, Papa P. Happy birthday, Kuya Pablo. Maraming salamat
Kuya
po.
Pablo, Papa
Para
P.
sa Disneyland, happy birthday mo. Pero syempre, para sa AD naman, ito ang mga bibigay namin regalo sa inyo guys.
Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat sa pagpanood ng Showbreak 6! Hanggang sa uulitin. Paalam!
Bam. Hey! Great episode, no? Very wholesome. Nice. Happy birthday, Pablo!